Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And this video is gonna be about auto forwarding only the emails that you want in Gmail. Can you do this? Yes, you can actually do it. So what you'll have to do first is simply go and open your Gmail account and make sure that you're logged in into your account. You would like also to go and click on the settings gear at the top right. Just go and click on that. And from there, just go and click on see all settings. So from this option, we would like to go and click on forwarding and pop/IMAP tab. So example, this one, just go and click on it. Once you do so, you should find yourself here. So we would like to go and click on add the forwarding address. And from here, we would like to enter the email that you want to forward to. So let me just go as an example. I'm just going to add one of my other emails like that and click on next. So once you click on next, you will have, of course, to verify the email, or you will have to do a small verification. So for me, as you can see, they'll tell me, oh, to tap on my phone, this number. I'm just going to do, yes, it's me. Then I'm going to type on this number. And once I do so in my phone, I should find it's good to go. So do you want to forward to this email? I'll just go and do proceed. So at the forwarding address, a confirmation link has been sent to this to verify the permission. So I'm just going to open the other email to accept that as an example. So Gmail team. And as you can see, you would like to allow this to automatically forward mail to your address, please click on the link below to confirm that. So I'm just going to click on that. And as you can see, you'll have just to go and click on confirm on the other email. If you're sending it to any other person, make sure to ask them to accept this so you can forward them any emails that they have. So once verified, you can go and return to the same settings tab. And from here, you will be able to create a filter for the emails that you want to send. So because you don't want to send every email, you would like an example to send some specific emails. So in this search, so now as an example, we can go and click on this search bar option, and you can go and click on this filters to add some criteria. So here's an example, this from, it's only like the emails from a certain address. And here an example on the subjects is the email with a specific subject line. This example has the word. It is basically if you want to include some specific keywords to look for it in the emails. And of course, there is a lot of other stuff here that you can use any combo that you want. Because as an example, we would like to create a filter to see which email should be forwarded. You don't want to like send all the emails, right? But it's up to you if you want to send this all. You don't even want to use or have to use those filters. So from I don't care about it for subjects, an example for the words, I'm going to look for something. I don't know, maybe something has to do with videos. So if something has any like videos word in the email, I want this email to be forwarded. So as an example, when a message is an exact match for your search criteria, you can just go, an example, skip the inbox, mark as read, star it, apply it, forward it, delete it, never send it to spam, and a lot of other stuff. For us, we would like to choose forward it. But as we said, or as you can see, I don't have the option to enable that yet. So as you can see now, it is available. What I did is simply made a refresh because we didn't refresh since we start. So in order to understand that we did it, all we need to do is make a refresh. So now we're going to create the filter again. I'm just going to do has word for you. You can customize the filter however you want. And now I'm just going to choose forwarded to. If you have multiple addresses, you'll be able to go and choose the one that you want. Of course, if you want to add any address, you can go and click on add forwarding address. And from here, again, you can go and click on add forwarding address. So now, in this option example, you can always forward a copy of incoming mail to the mail that we added. Or as an example, and of course, keep Gmail copy in the inbox or mark Gmail as read or archive or delete the Gmail copy. So whatever suits you. But for us, as we said, we will just go and create the filter. So wait, let me just go and create the filter again. So videos and click on create filter. And as you said, we're going to forward it to this person, and I'm just going to go and click on create filter. So we need to verify that's you to continue. Just go and click on continue because I refresh the page, no problem. We are just going to like go to my phone, click again on yes, it's me, and select the number shown right here. So once we do so, as you can see, we should be good to go. So your filter was created. Now as an example, go and create another filter. So you can also forward only some of your mail by creating another filter. So you can create unlimited filters if you want, like an example, to send videos, mails, or other mails, something like that. So what can you use that for? You can basically use it to forward just some job offers, maybe from hiring or maybe subjects offer, or you can do it to forward some receipts only, maybe from no reply, something like that. Maybe if you want to forward some school/class notification, like has the word assignment, and maybe you want to forward some certain newsletter, like from a newsletter or something like that. So you can always stop and edit the auto forwarding. If you go, an example, to your settings and on your Gmail, so let me just go and refresh for a second in here. And all I need to do is just go, you can go now to the settings normally. So they told me here that you'll filter as forwarding some of your email to this email. And this notice will end in 7 days. So you can always go here and click on review settings, where you'll be able to see, an example, your filters, where you'll be able to delete the filter if you want to, or even, so if you created any filters, you should find them here. And as we said, you can always go and click on edit to edit the filter, or even delete it if you don't want it anymore. So as you can see, if you didn't get this notice and you want to access those settings, you can always go to the settings option right here. And from here, as an example, we would like to go and click on see all settings. Then from here, you can go and click on filters and block addresses. And from here, again, you can go and edit or delete it. So some important notes that you can only forward to some verified emails. You cannot forward to multiple addresses at once as well. And auto forward won't work unless it's confirmed and saved in Gmail settings. So you can forward all the mails and you can forward specific mails only, but you cannot forward to multiple addresses, and you can forward mails with attachments only as well if you want to add this in the filter. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.